Are you a creator who spends hours trying to find what is trending, what your audience cares about, what content to publish today? Stop wasting time. Meet Echovox Studio's AI content research writing feature. Your AI engine for instant, high-impact content ideas and research. Open Discover and you'll see real-time trending topics across business, finance, tech, world news, entertainment, and more. Perfect for YouTubers, podcasters, educators, news creators, or anyone who needs fresh ideas every day. Pick a topic or search your niche. Tap Summary. You get a clean, accurate breakdown in seconds. Like it? Turn it into a full script instantly. Prepare it for AI voiceover. Refine it. Translate it. Push it straight into Echovox Studio's AI voiceover or video workflows upcoming. Create faster. Stay ahead of trends. Never run out of ideas again. Try Echovox Studio for free.